Recently, I noticed that my old phone has gone very low in its volume. When I put it in the speaker, the sound was coming very little, even though the volume is completely high. So, the problem was that when I removed the back cover of the phone, I see the speaker is located here, and at the same time the cover has some of these sorts of holes so that the sound waves can come out properly, and it was covered by a thin sheet of filter, that is to protect it from dust. Otherwise dust would get into it and will spoil the circuit, and due to humidity and moisture, so the dust will start capturing the moisture and will spoil the PCB and other parts of the phone. So what I noticed that this, you can see the holes, so those holes were totally blocked, as it is an old phone and it was like 3 to 5 4 years old, but still the phone condition is very good, so I do not want to scrap it. And today I got it reset with a complete new MI UI, so the ROM was changed at the same. So during this time I found the issue with the sound also. So in some different other phones also I fixed this sound problem in the same way, so I'm going to show you how I did it. So you see this, there are a few more dots or holes which are still blocked, but that can be removed by continuous trying. You see those are not totally clean, so I will show you how to clean this. So you need a bottle or a spray of this sort. So this type of spray you need, so you have to use it. Pressure clean those holes. So you see, now just go to an open area and just do like this from the inside, and then this filter will clean the holes. You see, from the other side the water should be coming. Okay, do it as many times as till you get a satisfactory result. So I was quite satisfied with this, and although all holes are not cleaned up, so you can try to wet it in detergent and then try it again if you have some greasy dirt stuck on those holes. And this way you will be able to get the sound back again. So similarly, these mouthpiece or the mouthpiece holes also get stuck. So in my other phone, the phone with which I am recording, this has a problem with the mouthpiece or the mic, so where dirt were deposited on the mic hole. So I did the same thing with it, and this works very well. So enjoy the trick.